Hey everyone, I'm out here on my short break and I just wanted to share how it's rained like over 5-6 inches in my area, and this is normally not as flooded like this, but it looks really cool with this little stream. It's real peaceful. You can hear the birds. And you can see all the beautiful greenage, all the trees coming back to life. We're putting out more life, rather. Okay, well, I hope everyone's having a great day. Just wanted to share this little peaceful moment that I have outside. Despite the cars, it can be pretty relaxing back here. Have a great day. Peace.